How to start playing Darkest Days for beginners. The world has ended and survival is your only goal. Welcome to the wasteland. This guide shows you exactly how to start playing Darkest Days for beginners. First, follow the initial tutorial missions. They are designed to teach you the basic controls. Use the left joystick for movement and the right side of the screen to look around. Don't skip the dialogue. It explains how to use your first weapon. Survival requires resources. Loot everything that you see in the starter zone: scrap metal, cloth, and wood. Tap the interact icon whenever it appears over a container. You'll need these to build your first shelter. Keep an eye on your vitals. If your hunger or thirst bars drop to 0, your health will begin to drain. Always carry at least 2 bottles of water and some canned food in your quick access slots before leaving the safe zone. You're ready to face the darkest days. Stay alert and stay alive. Like and subscribe for more survival tips.